Here's another question from a viewer. I reported harassment, but now my manager is treating me differently. Is this retaliation? Excellent question. Well, this could be a hostile work environment or retaliatory harassment claim. If they start treating you differently, do they affect your pay, your grade, or your promotion level? You're getting disciplined, perhaps. Suddenly your pay is being affected. Maybe you're reassigned. The Supreme Court came out with a case in 2024, a retaliatory reassignment, less desirable position, less desirable duties, whether an action is sufficiently adverse. All of a sudden, maybe you're being excluded from meetings that you should be privy to. The harder things to prove are more of the intangible, unspoken treatment, right? How do you prove somebody's giving you the cold shoulder? Some of these things are intangible and you know it when you see it, but with the law, you have to prove it. Another thing to keep in mind is that Title VII is not a civility code. In other words, your manager doesn't have to treat you nicely. They just cannot treat you differently because of your EEO activity. So for what should you do? You should start documenting how you are being treated differently. If it's severe enough, you should complain and make sure that your complaint is in writing. It can be an email, for example, where you state that you believe you are being treated differently because of your EEOC complaint. You should identify comparators, identify similarly situated employees who work under that same manager, for example. Compare how you are being treated to how they are being treated.